So, what is the weather today, Alan?
The weather is the weather today. Today is going to be air and clouds and the sun, rain, snow.
No, I mean, how many degrees today?
Oh, it says 20 degrees on my car.
20 degrees?
Yeah.
Or it should.
You have that also in your car?
Yeah, I see.
Oh my god, there's a lineup.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Line up for where?
At the Timmy's.
Huh?
Timmy's.
Tim Horton?
Mm-hmm.
So are we going to Tim Horton?
Yeah.
Remember last time when we came here, we talked about going to Tim Horton, or we're going to Tim Horton, but we end up on
In the wheels.
A and W.
Yes. Because we
Okay.
couldn't find a Tim Hortons for some
Yeah.
weird reason. There's more Tim Hortons than McDonald's, and Tim Hortons is like the Jollibee of Canada.
Yeah. But on my last video,
Whoa.
Oh, we are here,
Yeah.
Tim Horton. In my last
So
video.
you want iced cappuccino,
Yeah, please, small.
and you want to try the egg white things there I told you about? It's really good. Try it.
You know what? Yeah,
Yeah.
just one, I think.
Well, they're very small. It's one bite.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm gonna order two.
Only one for me.
Then maybe more for me.
Huh?
Maybe more for me.
I could see you want more. That's fine.
Oh, you see that?
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate one
Oh, the
third.
half of my.
Not half. A
the
third.
half of my breakfast.
1/3 of your breakfast.
I did half. I did. I really like cut into half because
But if this is a half, if this is the whole piece,
I can't.
this
have,
is your half and this is my half. That's how much you
I
had.
can't have
I had
a
one-
like a one toast and
That's
one
why
egg.
we're gonna
So
have-
I need to
'cause of
cut
the
half
cholesterol.
because I'm not allowed to eat cholesterol.
That's
but
right.
I'm really eager to eat because I didn't even have egg for like a
This
while.
is from Lim
so,
Kit Kai, so it's not original.
What?
Or maybe it is. I don't know. But Lim Kit Kai.
It's lactose. You buy this in Lim Kit Kai Cagayan?
Oh,
Oh really? How much is cost?
I don't remember.
150?
Pesos?
Yeah.
No, paid more than that.
Oh.
I think I paid like 400.
Why you don't give that to Ding Dong? So he should be very happy with lactose in his head because he's going to school.
Ding Dong has the Xbox to play with.
He did play every day. He told
Every
me.
day he plays, eh?
Yeah.
He loves it.
And also he told me because he's watching the video right now. He told me
He
you
knew
have
the
to
games.
talk a lot.
Yeah, he knew the games before I even gave it to him because it's like he saw the videos of all the games.
He knows how to play. Yeah.
Yeah, he knows how to play.
I would be very happy to see the nice view today. Where we're going actually? What is the name of the?
We're gonna go by the water, I guess.
Yes,
Machine?
by the water. So it's a lot of walking.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing I wear a comfortable shoes for today.
Show them your shoes.
Sure.
Your shoes. Lift it up.
Where do I show my shoes?
Like this. See? So now,
Stop. That's not funny.
so you can show them your shoes. Show them how comfortable your shoes are.
Oh, come on.
No?
So, what are you ordering right now?
Right now, I'm ordering cappuccino, iced cappuccino, which is very famous over here. It's the #1 drink in Canada.
I like
It's an ice cream cappuccino drink.
It's the best drinks for summer is ice cappuccino.
Yeah, and
Lassi. I
actually
love
she
so
orders
much.
it in winter also.
But you know, to be honest, because I cannot eat so many things
Corona?
now, whatever I want, because I have to check. I have high cholesterol.
Oh, wow,
Plus
look at that.
what they have. Oh, ice cream on the
Look at that, they have Fruit Loops.
what?
Fruit Loop donuts. Hi there, can I have 2 small ice caps? No, and 2 orders of the egg white bites? Sure.
And also get me one.
No worries. Okay, what else you want?
No, I get me.
Can you give me a Fruit Loops donut?
We don't have Fruit Loop donuts here.
Okay. Do you want anything else?
No, thank
No,
you.
that's it. Thank you.
All right, it's $5.75.
You got it. I want to show them Fruit Loop donuts.
What?
Look at that, like the cereal. Fruit Loops cereal donuts. That's freaking crazy. Fruit Loops is the best cereal.
What?
Fruit Loops.
How about the color cereal there?
Yeah, that's Fruit Loops. They don't
for
have.
the kids?
Yeah,
Is it for the kids?
yeah.
Oh.
Or adults that knows how to enjoy.
My cereal at home, I like the cereal. What flavor is that? It's
You have
chocolate.
peanut butter flavor. You have also coconut flavor. You have multigrain flavor.
I like the one you
have strawberry
you just
flavor.
bought. It's so tasty.
Oh, you have like 5 different kinds. But they're all Cheerios.
And you know what? I forget the bagels that I used to eat every morning
Oh, no more
because of the
bagels.
cereal. Yeah.
You want a bagel?
It's like no, actually I don't mind having that, but it's just we have so many food, so I don't know what to eat. I don't know. It's like whatever I see, I like it too, so I eat it. But I just cannot eat too much, so I eat a little bit for the breakfast.
One thing you like to eat a lot is the saba saging.
Yeah, it's really my favorite.
Saba.
And it's healthy.
Giging.
And also your family name. What is your family name, by the way?
You don't know my family name?
Is Saba Saging.
My family name is Gasing.
Gasing. It's not Gasing.
Saging,
It's
sorry.
Saging. Gasing is the
Giging
leaves.
sagin.
Listen, the gasing in
Hide,
our
they're looking for you.
language is the leaves of the banana. That's how do you say?
The leaves of the
Siging.
Gasing.
Gasing.
So it's a real word, Gasing?
Gasing. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So you made a mistake, but it's really like it's makes sense.
You don't want
There
any
is
snacks to
meaning.
eat?
Huh?
You don't want a snack to eat?
No, I don't want anything, thank you. I would be happy to have cappuccino,
Yes.
and that's my lunch though.
It's not your lunch, it's a snack.
I don't have my lunch. I'm busy taking a video. What a cute white bird. What we call that? Why there's so
Pigeon.
many what?
Pigeon.
Why there's so many bird? Where they gonna go? And where they live?
They look for food.
But did someone taking care of those?
No, is
Why
that a
would
pigeon
I
or a
see-
seagull?
What?
I think no, that's a seagull actually. That's from the ocean. Because we're surrounded by water, you know?
I could notice every summer though. There's a lot of
Hey
white
there.
bird.
Grab this.
Why you don't use my credit card, Elan?
Thank you, sir.
You have to use mask because you're talking with a guy.
Thank you, big
Ella?
man. You too, bro.
It's gonna be so good.
So, the way that the tradition of when you have a iced cappuccino, what you gotta do is you take the straw.
That's not funny.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You shot right away on my
I
eyes.
didn't mean to. I had to.
Oh, unbelievable.
I'm sorry. I'm not. I meant to do that.
God, I got you. You got me to do so.
Twice.
Yeah, twice. The one in the morning you meant it because you threw
No, I
me
didn't
in
mean
the
it.
floor.
I didn't throw you on the floor. You
No, but-
flew in the air. You landed on the floor. I don't know where you're gonna land. Why can't you fly like a bird, like the white bird, and that's it?
So you
Why are
mean
you
it to
dirtying my
land me
car?
in the air. You need to stop being stupidity because if you will pay what you did. Come on, you have to wait, okay?
Iced cappuccino. It's not like what you find at Starbucks or what's the name of that? Coffee Bean.
I think I have 3 video already. I post that I was drinking
Yummy.
cappuccino. So
Delicious.
this is always my lunch.
This is always lammy.
Lami. So what else besides did you know?
That's it. I don't know any Visayan.
Wow, how come? You're learning every night and you even talk with my mom
I
Bisaya.
didn't talk to your mom
You
Visayan.
understand
She
each
speaks
other.
to me English.
My mom speaks to you in English. Yeah.
Yeah, she tells me, Ilan, unsay mo gibuhat?
It's not it's
And
not
then I-
English. It's
And then I say to her, oh, Mama Pidya,
Sige, sige.
sige, sige,
Baklay,
baklay, baklay, unsay balita.
Unsay balita.
And then I say to her, yate,
Yate.
yate.
No, don't say that yate. It's only expression for like, let's say.
Oh, fuck. No?
Yeah, oh fuck, but it's not. It's
So why you always say that to your mom if it's a bad word?
But it's just because it's our language and it's not bad yet.
But why do you always say that to your mom if it's a bad word?
It's not a bad word, but I mean, I want you to learn more than that. You only learn the words that is
That you teach me.
it's like nonsense.
But you untaka!
What? I didn't teach you that. I didn't teach you that. I'm gonna stay away from it.
Sumbagay,
No, I didn't tell you that.
sumbagay baklay, balay.
So tell to
Ali
my mom.
bakla, sumbagay.
Tell to my mom, Mama Alpija, Ali, sumbagay ta.
Dali.
Oh, dili. You have a lot of... You told me you didn't learn a lot from me, so how come now you're talking Visayan with
No,
me?
I need Visayan, I told you.
Huh?
I don't know Visayan.
You do know Visayan. What is the name of the lake we're going to now?
We're not going to the lake, we're going to the canal, but see, Montreal is surrounded by the St. Lawrence River, which is actually one of the widest rivers in the world, and it's
Hi,
like an ocean.
Renaissance.
Yeah. Let's go see if we can get a refill. Look how full the parking lot is. Oh my god.
It's really crappy there though.
Okay.
You go change one items and the next day it doesn't fit again and they don't change you anymore.
1.3 kilometers. Yeah, we're going away.
How many?
We are going. Oh, we have to go all around. See, we're gonna go like this, and then we're gonna go here. But
How many minutes?
maybe we should go over here.
Huh?
13 minutes.
Alan, I think how about changing my car? We just
Oh.
for 1 week.
That's where I buy my car.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna buy my next car there too.
The same as me.
Yeah, I don't like my car anymore. I want something again. I want another one.
What year is your car again?
I have my car that for 3 years, but I want to change. I would like something white.
White.
Yeah, because my car is color black.
Yeah,
would like
we sell the
something
scratches
white.
with that.
Like at least 4x4.
Hawasa!
What is Hawasa?
Let's move out of the way.
Where do you go?
We're going to Lachine, which in
Oh.
English is the China.
Oh, so this is the road to Lachine?
Lachine. Lachine is China in English.
I thought you're going to West Island. This is the road to West Island,
This is the
right?
road. We're just going, we're going to go around.
What?
We're just going to go around.
So you're going here just to go roam around?
No, because we need to go around.
Ah, around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looking for exit 63.
Exit 63.
This is exit 63. This is the
Got
one.
it.
Oh, so right here.
It's right here. So you're gonna go turn right? So if you're going to West Island, you're gonna go straight left, right? Straight left?
Yeah,
Yes.
we go straight to go
Left.
West Island. That's one way to
Okay.
get there, yeah.
Ah,
This is going west.
okay. Because they told me if you're going this Highway 20, it's right away straight to West Island.
Yeah.
But
it goes
it's
to the
still not
end.
straight. There's a lot of road going there like that, like nagsanga-sanga.
And actually, you end up in like Pierrefonds or Roxborough. I don't know what that place is called.
Like I'm still remembering by
Why is it
driving
telling me to go
highway.
further? That's so stupid.
What?
What a dumbass.
Why?
Because I could have turned there. I don't know why he's making me go all the way here.
So sometimes I told you it's not good to follow GPS. You should know the road better.
Motherfucker.
That's why if I don't go out just trusting the GPS because I've been lost that all the time. And before 10 years ago I don't drive the highway, so let's
Let me
see
do
if
something. Hold on,
what
let me try something.
again stop.
Wait,
you
wait,
need,
wait, wait,
you
wait.
need to stop fucking around, Elan. It's really not funny. You wanna put my sunglasses on?
No.
Is that right?
No.
What?
I want to
Which
see
one?
something about your hair.
Because I know you're gonna make fun of me again. I know you. Stop, it's red light.
It is red light. So then we go straight. And then we make a left over here. There's a very industrial area over here.
Huh?
This industrial area. We're underneath the highways.
Industrial area.
Oh.
Why?
I don't know. You honked at me. I honked back at him.
That's not nice.
Oh. Oh.
I thought your
How
friend.
do you call those guys?
I thought
How
your
do you,
friend.
how do you call those guys
You
in the sign?
Huh?
How do you call those guys in the sign?
What?
The guy with the white car there. You
How-
see
how
the white
to
car
call-
over there?
Oh, police.
Oh, police.
Yeah.
How do you say on the sign?
A police. Policia.
Policia.
Mm-hmm.
Tanaw, policia. Policia.
Tanaw policia.
Baklas. Okay, so now, oh, this bridge goes up, eh?
Hmm?
This bridge goes up and down.
What?
See these big things on top?
Yeah.
Let's wait. So the bridge goes down. So this is the
The
canal.
bridge goes down?
Goes up and down, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, for boats to pass.
What? Really?
Yeah,
And it's gonna cut and goes up?
I think so, yeah.
What do you mean? You think so? I wanna know. I wanna see if it's the boat is coming, they're gonna cut the bridge and goes up.
Yeah, but no boats coming through there now.
If that's happening, I would stay there whole day and figure it out how the bridge is cutting off and goes up by itself. It's like the road, you cut the road and goes a bit wide and just put it back. It's like how does it work? It's like machine doing that by itself, or
Kinabuhi? No, I don't want to go to Kinabuhi. Tisay.
so if you don't drink your cappuccino,
that's where I
I
wanna
will
go.
be having your cappuccino after mine.
That's where I want to go. Okay. This is what you do. You mix your ice cap by spinning it, but you have to be careful so it doesn't fly everywhere.
Yeah.
It's delicious. It's like a coffee milkshake. It's not like the ice ones everywhere else. It's very different. Only available in Canada.
What?
This,
This one?
yeah.
I'm gonna start business in Philippines like a shake.
Oh, but
But I'm
you
gonna
already
put
had that business in the
cappuccino.
Philippines.
What?
You already had that business in the Philippines. You had shakes, remember?
But I'm not going back there just for this. It's not gonna make money like this. I'm not gonna get more money with this one. I'm gonna make something else making more money, and this is only for part-time. Because making this, if this is only your business, then how you gonna save money by paying someone making this shake, and then the end of the day you have nothing because you have so many workers to pay for this.
Oh, Sammy Fruits. That's Sammy Fruits.
What is Sami Fruit?
It's a very big fruit store.
Huh?
Oh, there's all Sammy.
Sami Fruit.
Sammy Fruit, Sammy Fish.
Oh yeah, your friend Samir.
No, he's a comedian. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Samir. Yeah, but
1 second. I just want to see where we are.
Sami. What is the family name of your friend Samir?
Couloir.
Sami. But the name of his name.
Oh, Sugar Sammy.
Sugar Salmon. Sugar Sammy, right?
Yeah.
He's Indian. He's good looking guy. I like the way he talk because it's really comedy. Unlike those comedian people like Jacoy, he's talking about his mom to make money. Like, is that sound funny? It's that I don't feel like funny.
Out a detour. Okay, here we go.
We're going to the lake. We're not going to the grocery, Alan.
We're not going to the lake.
Huh?
We're not going to the lake. We're going where the rapids are. Deep sea over there.
Oh. But today, if you are Opao, they're gonna hurt the head because it's too sunny, 25 degree. And then if you are Opao, it's very poor.
And like this, it's smooth,
Smooth.
luxurious.
Luxurious. Smooth. Luxurious. I stop.
There's a stop sign.
You scared me.
I didn't see the stop sign. Now we're gonna turn over here.
How many minutes going there, Ellen?
We're almost there. Shit.
I would like to go shopping though. The store is still closed. Maybe we can go to downtown next week, Ellen.
Yeah?
I really would like. I would like to buy something for you. Like, I feel bad every day. You came home and you're gonna say, Edna, where's my birthday
I
gift?
didn't say that. And it's been.
Like, I can't sleep. Then last night I have a
What
bad
about
dream.
the year before and the year before that? You slept fine?
The year before and the year before, that's already done. It's the year passed by.
Where the hell are we? What the hell? Oh, you smell that? It smells like glue.
Don't tell me we're
Oh, it
lost.
smells very bad.
What is in there? Why the
Oh, it stinks over here. There's a lot of companies, industrial companies.
industrial company? But Ellen, this is summer already, right here, right? So, in every city,
There's the ocean right there.
in every city, you could see like for sale in each area, right?
Yeah.
When they would start, like May, June, July. When it oh, there is a
Well,
month to
the
start, or
no,
there is
the
a month?
virus. Nobody was buying or selling because of the virus.
Ah, okay, I got it. But if there's no virus, they already start, right? The selling
All the
people
time.
outside.
People buy and sell all the time.
Yeah.
But for some reason in Montreal, people that rent apartments
yeah.
always move on July 1st for some reason.
Yeah, on July 1st. And also, guys, yeah, here every summer, it's really funny because people, they sell their stuff outside. And if if you pass by,
Oh,
you
garage
can
sales.
get, yeah, like garage sales. So you pass by, and if you see that for sale outside, you can,
Very nice over here.
yeah, it's
Oh, look at that.
sometimes you can get
Windmill.
good one, you know. So but there's a lot. You can go check wherever in the different city, and sometimes
Look at this
you
house.
get lucky.
Look, windmill.
Huh?
That's a windmill.
What is windmill?
You
I
know,
like that house though.
it's like, you know, the ceiling fan that we installed
it's
in
modern.
Bulua?
Yeah.
It's like that, but a big one, the size of a building, and it turns with the wind. Now we need to
I
find
like driving
parking.
along the
Look over here.
water. Huh?
Very nice, eh?
Yeah. Oh, this is it. I like this. Ilan, is this condo or?
Yeah,
Um,
right by the water. Right in front of the water. And now we need parking.
do we have to pay parking here?
I don't know.
Be careful, the woman just planning to cross the road.
I see her. Okay, I think we got parking over here.
Hmm?
So many bicycles. St. Patrick.
Yeah. Would you like?
Oh, there we have to pay for parking. Yeah.
Would you like riding bicycle in summer?
You want to do that now?
Haha. I'm lazy with that. I don't know, to be honest.
Oh.
I prefer walking along the lake or wherever. Like, I like adventure. But biking, I don't know. I feel like it's not my. I'm not the kind of girl. Oh, be careful,
I see
Ilan.
it, Edna. I see it, I
It's-
see it.
I'm very.
I see it, I see it, I
Oh
see it,
my
I see it.
god, it's scary.
So I don't know if we'll find parking here. Handicap parking. Oh yeah, we have parking right here.
We have parking? I think you have to pay.
Yeah, we have to pay.
Do you want me to pay? Ilan?
Whatever.
Huh?
You pay, I pay, same shit.
It's not the same shit because you know, Asian people, you need to be a gentleman. You need to be a man.
Yeah, don't I pay for everything?
Huh?
Don't I pay for everything in your life? Aren't I a gentleman?
Yeah, you're a gentleman, but I could pay too. I don't mind.
I don't have the app, I have to install it.
Yeah, I have it. So use my credit card. I need to pay my credit card this
I don't know
week.
what the number is. Oh, LB 189. Okay guys, we'll see you soon.
Bye bye.